Nvidia inching closer to becoming the first $5 trillion company, while Apple topped $4 trillion in market value, the development making Apple one of the most valuable companies in the world, alongside Nvidia and Microsoft, which also surpassed $4 trillion. This milestone comes as Apple shares surged by 25% over the past 3 months. Majorly driven by the strong sales of the iPhone 17, which appears to be outselling its predecessors. The rise in stock prices particularly notable in the month of September, when iPhone 17 launched, signaling growing consumer demand. Apple is not alone at this benchmark. Microsoft also passed the $4 trillion mark on Tuesday, after seeing a 3% jump in stocks following the company's announcement of acquiring a 27% stake in OpenAI. Microsoft has been backing OpenAI since 2019, and this new investment signals confidence in its AI ambitions. However, despite Apple and Microsoft's achievement, Nvidia still holds the first place as the world's most valuable company, with a market cap of nearly $5 trillion. Nvidia stock closed almost 5% higher, adding over $230 billion in market cap, bringing its total value to $4.89 trillion after briefly touching $4.94 trillion. The massive jump in the value of Nvidia comes after the CEO announced that the company had $500 billion in bookings for its AI processors, and that the company will build 7 new supercomputers for the US Department of Energy. This marks a swift rise in the value of the company, especially considering that it first touched the $4 trillion market cap in July 2025. The company's shares have registered a 50% jump this year, while Apple and Microsoft are close to the Nvidia milestone. The company's dominance in AI and chip-making technology continuing to set it apart in the race for market value. Despite the growth, some caution remains. Apple's performance continues to be driven by a mix of strong product sales, strategic investments, and a favorable tariff environment. With earnings coming up, all eyes are on Apple's results to see if this momentum can continue in the future. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.